Hello everyone. If you have weak, dead Anthurium plants in your house, don't rush to throw them away. Today I will show you how to revive them using potato peels. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. First, we have to clean the red taro roots and remove all rotten roots and remove mold. Peel the potatoes, cut into small pieces, put in a blender, puree, and soak the taro roots for about 45 minutes. Potato peels have many uses when caring for flowers. They provide nutrients, stimulate root and flower growth, and improve humidity. To add more fun to the nutrition this time, I will combine it with some aloe vera sauce and potato peels, making the nutrition richer. We will soak the taro roots in potato peel water for about 45 minutes, helping the plant absorb nutrients before planting. After 45 minutes of composting, I will start planting Anthurium in pots. Today, I will choose to plant using composted rice husks. The structure of the rice husk is porous, providing long-term nutrition for plants, good drainage, effective air exchange. When the Anthurium plant has grown strongly, if you want it to bloom quickly and stay fresh for a long time, use 1 teaspoon of pure white sugar to take care of it. We will use a towel dipped in pure white sugar water to clean the leaves and stems of Anthurium, helping to moisturize the leaves, remove mold, and repel insects for the plant. When we take care and clean the Anthurium carefully for more than 1 month, the plant will give us a lot of flowers, healthy and beautiful. At this time, we clean the branches, leaves, and flowers to help the plant bloom longer. When we spray clean water on flowers, leaves, branches, and wipe them clean, this can keep them moist for a long time, remove mold, and help flowers bloom longer. I am sure that if you do it my way, your balcony will always have beautiful Anthurium flowers. You can admire them after tiring working days. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.